In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Shopify. It's really simple, straightforward, and I'll teach you everything you need to know. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is go to your Shopify store. And first of all, we need to go ahead and actually add the digital product. And to do that, we're going to add this like any other normal product we would on Shopify. We'll just go to our product section over here, go over to add product. And in here, we're going to put in our details. So depending on the product you're selling, just put in the name. So I'm just going to put digital download. There we go. And then obviously you want to put in a description, all that kind of thing here. And then you want to go down to the media and add the photos of your product. So let's say I'm just selling this, for example. I don't know what this is. Let's say it's a digital product. I just put the photo in there. You do a description. Like normal, you do your price. Put some kind of discount maybe. I'm going to do this for the discount. And what we want to do is press save. Now, before we are ready to actually start selling this, we need to go down to where it says shipping. And we need to go ahead and change this from this is a physical product. We need to turn that off there. And we can press save. And basically what this means is that they won't give you, you won't have to get their shipping details, so their shipping address, and you won't also have to give them like shipping details such as how long it's going to take. They won't have to pick any of that, which is, it makes it easier for the user. So we can go in, we can add any variants that we want to add. The reason I do this before the variants is because if you do it after the variants, it's a bit annoying. We can go ahead and add our variants now. We can add the amount of stock we've got. And if we want to, we can add some different purchasing options. So if we've got a subscription, maybe this is some kind of subscription, we can use like Recharge or any of these other subscription platforms here. Just like this, I could set it up. But I'm just going to leave it at this for now. And I can go ahead and press save. Now I need to make sure that it's turned on in these markets here. So make sure it's on online store. And make sure for the markets it's in the ones you sell on. So that's the first step, is actually going ahead. We've now added the product. So if I go ahead and actually, let me add some stock quickly. If I go ahead and add this to cart, you'll be able to see that I'll be able to purchase it without having to put shipping information in. So let me just refresh this. I can add it to cart. I can go to checkout. And you'll notice now at checkout, it just asks for the contact details here. So my phone number. It asks for my billing address here. And then it just asks for the payment, but it doesn't ask for your shipping address. So you have to ask for your billing address so that they can authorize your card, that kind of thing. And if I was to add card details and PayPal and that, they'll be able to pay right away. So that's all working and ready to go. Now, how do we actually go about fulfilling digital products? Well, it really depends on you. Let's say we're selling some kind of digital download, maybe an ebook or something. The best way to do it would be to download an app, and I'll show you the app that I like to use. So we go to the App Store and we'll type in digital download. They have a ton of options you can use here. The one I like to use personally is this one called DDA FileFlare Digital Download. But again, you can pick whichever one you want to. Now I'm just going to pick this one here. I'm going to press install onto the store, and it should take a few seconds depending on how fast your Wi-Fi is. We can press install here, and then we can pick our plan. We can start off with the free plan to start with. The only difference really is the storage and that kind of stuff here. But you can read through all of these, and you do get a free trial with it. So I'm just going to pick the growth one for now, actually, so I can show you all the features. But you'll get a free trial, so if it's not for you, you can cancel it. So 14-day free trial there. So I'm going to approve this, and I'm going to go ahead now and configure it. So here we are. We can upload files. That's the first step. So upload our file here. We can just click in here, and we can upload any kind of digital file here. Now I'm just going to upload this GIF here for my digital file, but for you can do an ebook, you can do some kind of code, you can do a PDF. It's really up to you what you actually do. So now that it's uploaded, I can press done, and I can go back to the home page here, and I can attach it to our products. So what I can do is I can find the product. So the one that we were looking for is the digital download one. This one here. I can go through and I can attach this to this product here, which means that now when someone buys this is the product they're going to get, this file here. So now we can go back and we can customize our settings. So the amount of time someone can download the file, we can put unlimited, or we can leave a number. the expiration date, the block fraudulent, that kind of stuff there. We've also got stuff like import previous orders, data reports, checkout settings. So you can actually have a download button and page after they check out. So the second they check out, they can just download it straight away, which is quite useful. They've got a few other options here like that. They also have email settings here. So it can automatically send an email to the customer with their download stuff once they've purchased it. So this is a quite good way to just automate all of the process. You don't have to manually send it out. And just a few tips as well. So this is the checklist they recommend. Automatically mark digital products as fulfilled on orders, so you can set that up. Ensure you are capturing emails on orders, not phone numbers. So I believe we've got that set up there. Maybe we should turn it off so they only do emails because they can't send through phone number. When using variants, confirm that your files are attached to the correct variants. Make sure payments are captured and orders are marked as paid. And digital products need to be available on all your store locations to enable automatic fulfilling. So you can go ahead and you can basically read through this checklist to make sure you've got everything right. You can also go over here to orders. It will show you the orders. It will show you if they've got their email, that kind of thing. And then you've got your stats here. So it shows your storage. You get up to 50 gigabytes. It shows you the amount of downloads, amount of orders, emails opened, download emails sent, all of that kind of stuff here. So now if I was to go ahead and actually check out this item here, if I put it for free, for example, and I checked it out, it should now automatically allow me to download it. And I would recommend just giving yourself a little test order first. So go to your product, set it to free, make sure that it all works. I'm going to refresh this. Might take a second to load. So here it is. I'm going to add to cart. I'm going to check out. And then when I put my details in here, no payments required. I'm going to complete order. And there we go. Now that my order has been processed, I can now download the file right here for my order. It's going to take me to the download page. I can just download it here. So it's really super simple to use. And it means you don't have to manually send it to the customers, all that kind of stuff. But that's basically how you go about doing it. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below that helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.